Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 308 SW in the active specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you get the touchscreen that features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. Car that we've taken in part exchange, and it's got a full service history with Howard's. Comes with a 1.6 HDI engine that gives you 92 horsepower. The car's done under 24,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.